In this video, I'll show you how to mass remove paragraph breaks in Google Docs. If you copied text from a website, PDF, email, or another document, there's a good chance your text ended up with too many paragraph breaks. Instead of looking like one clean section, every line may be split into separate paragraphs. Fixing that manually can take a lot of time, especially in a long document. The faster way is to use Google Docs Find and Replace feature to remove those extra breaks in bulk. First, open your document in Google Docs and look through the section you want to clean up. If the whole document has the same problem, you can work on all of it at once. If only one part needs fixing, highlight that section first so you only edit the selected text. Now go to the Edit menu and click Find and Replace. You can also open it with Ctrl and H on Windows or Command, Shift, and H on Mac. This tool lets you search for specific formatting patterns and replace them quickly. In many cases, paragraph breaks appear as hard returns between lines. What you want to do is replace those breaks with a space, so the broken lines become one continuous paragraph. In the Find field, enter the paragraph break pattern. Then, in the Replace with field, type a single space. After that, use Replace All to clean up the text in one step. If your document has double paragraph breaks, meaning there is a blank line between paragraphs, be careful. In that case, you may want to preserve the real paragraph spacing while removing only the unwanted single-line breaks. A common method is to first replace double breaks with a temporary marker, then replace single breaks with spaces, and finally turn the marker back into proper paragraph breaks. This helps keep your actual paragraphs while removing the messy line-by-line breaks. After the replacement, read through the text once to make sure spacing looks natural. Sometimes you may need to remove a few extra spaces or add a paragraph back, where needed. But even with a quick review, this method is much faster than fixing every line manually. This is especially useful when reformatting pasted content, notes, or imported text that does not match the layout you want. Once you know how to use Find and Replace, cleaning up paragraph breaks in Google Docs becomes much easier. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.